In this tutorial we will design a logo like that. To begin with, I will open my Photoshop. Here I am using Photoshop CS4. Good. I will select the new canvas by going to File, New. The canvas size will be 300 pixels width and height will be 41 pixels with transparent background. We can give it a name. You are here now. Now we will insert the text here. We will click the T from our keyboard and write here first part, and the font we will use is Berlin Sans FB, size 42 pt, and we can press the T again right here. Peri. Now I need to make adjustments, so I will select both the layers by pressing and holding the control button and clicking on the second layer. Now I will press and hold control key and press T to transform. I will give all the shortcodes in the description. I'm using the 4 arrow keys on the keyboard to move the text. Press enter. It's done. Now I need to change the color for tasty. I will double click the T icon here, choose the color from top, this one, to black. This is done. Now I will insert a background behind this one. In order to do that, I will select this layer. In fact, I will need a new layer. So in order to have a new layer, I will click this icon here, or else I can have Control Shift N and a new layer is created. I will bring all the way down by dragging it down. This is down. This is now my base layer. This will work as a background. I will select rectangular marquee tool, draw a rectangle here like that. Take the paint bucket and put the color here. Next, click this icon here. You are done, and you can deselect like that. From this one you can choose the font color to black so that this is visible. Next, you need to select your background layer, press and hold control and press T to transform. Now press and hold shift key and change it. Like that. Perfect. This is done, and now we will save it for web. Save for web, the shortcut is Alt Control Shift and S. Make sure you have selected PNG24, press OK and save to desktop. From the desktop I will find my image, logo -2. Here it is. This one is done. So I need to open this one again in my Photoshop. Drag it here, opens in new tab. Now what you need to do is select this tool, magic wand tool. Now you need to switch on the caps lock. Now you can see a plus icon here, so select the P alphabet and press delete button. The background is now clearing. Keep doing for all. You are done. Right click and deselect. Now you need to save the image again. Save for web and devices, PNG format, save, give it a name logo 3. Save. From here I will check now logo 3. This one is here. So this is done the way I wanted. Thank you so much.